Char.
Kami ni hapon ta.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sa wala di ka natulog.
Matulog mo ko?
Aw.
Wait na.
The sky is changing from indigo into blue, and I am changing too, for the first and the last time. The earth is trembling, and I am trembling too. It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was, as it really is.
And shall be climbing higher as we proceed to our flight. Weather on Earth is forecasted to be quite fair, and we are expecting some local weather systems as we depart Philippine area and Indonesian airspace. And finally, Melbourne weather update shall be reported prior to our flight. And in accordance with Philippine regulations, all guests on board are required to wear face masks while inside the aircraft. Your safety and comfort is always our priority.
As it always was. As it really is. And there's a wildfire behind me, an orchard ahead. Will you come with me and taste all of it? We'll turn into magpies and fly on the fiery wind above it all. As it is. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll dance for forever and slowly disappear into it all.
flying fast Cebu Pacific team, head of our flight and crew, Captain Mandarogan, First Officer Asguera, together with your cabin crew. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings and ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead.
Baby, you